Greenville Technical College is not just about in-person or online classes. We are also known for our amazing hands-on programs. Your program may involve working on 3D printers, practicing taking blood pressure on a patient simulator, or repairing a truck in automotive. No matter the content, these labs are critical to your engagement and learning. Please check with your faculty member about how this will work this fall semester. Likely, it will include coming in very small groups during unique times in order to properly social distance so that you can achieve your goals while staying safe. Many programs also have clinicals interacting directly with community members, either on-site or at a third-party location. Again, this may look different this year. These may involve more simulators, working with fellow students, or limited community appointments. Third-party locations will determine their way of working, and faculty will be able to provide the solution for their program and classes. Regardless of these changes, you will continue to receive education that you have come to expect here at the college.